Hello and welcome to Smart Kit Designs. Whether you're working solo, leading a team, managing projects, or freelancing, keeping track of everything can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up and use your Eisenhower Matrix step by step. You'll see how each tab works so you can manage and prioritize tasks, visualize progress, and stay organized, all without using complex project management software. For this demo, we'll be using the dark mode version. You can adjust the zoom level in Google Sheets to fit your screen and make the text easier to read. Try a few sizes to find what works best for you. If you haven't grabbed your template yet, you'll find the link in the description below. You can also use the chapter timestamps to jump to any part of the tutorial at any time. Alright, let's dive in. Starting with the Start tab. In the Start tab, you'll find a link to this video tutorial, access to a fresh blank template, just in case you need a brand new copy, quick navigation links to jump between tabs, written instructions for each tab with examples and screenshots, and an easy two-step setup to get started in minutes. Before using the Eisenhower Matrix, we're going to make sure your spreadsheet reflects your local region. To do this, go to File, click Settings, choose your local and time zone, then click Save and Reload. This ensures that all your due date calculations and automations work correctly. Next, personalize your drop-downs. Add up to 15 task owners, 15 projects, and 15 task categories. You just need to set it up once. These will automatically appear across all key tabs of the spreadsheet. Once you've finished, scroll down to review more about each spreadsheet tab and protection. Now, let's head to the Task Tracker tab. The Task Tracker is your main control center for managing all tasks in one organized dashboard. At the top, you'll find dynamic dashboards that auto-update as you log tasks, showing progress, completion rates, overdue items, and workload distribution at a glance. Scroll down, and you'll see the task database, where you can record up to 2,000 tasks. Each row represents one task, and all the calculations happen automatically. Simply fill out task name and description. Assign it to a project, category, and owner from your drop-downs. Choose a priority from low, medium, high, or very high. Track progress selecting a status like not started, in progress, review, on hold, completed. Select important and urgent checkboxes. These two checkboxes power the Eisenhower Decision Matrix, a proven framework for prioritization that helps you decide what to focus on first. Important means the task contributes directly to your goals or results. It matters. Urgent means the task requires immediate attention or has a near deadline. It's time sensitive. When you mark a task as important or urgent, the Decision Matrix tab updates automatically, showing what needs focus, what can wait, and what can be delegated or skipped. We'll review that in more detail later. Then, add a created date and due date for your task. The days remaining field calculates automatically, turning orange when a task is due within 7 days and red when overdue. You can also enter progress percent and estimated hours to forecast workloads, and add notes for extra context. Once you complete a task, flip its status to completed and annotate the date it was completed. The row will turn green, keeping your list clean and visual. Use column filters to focus on specific tasks or group views to organize by category, owner, or project. For example, group by owner to view individual workloads, or by project to check progress across initiatives. Now, let's go over the Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix, also known as the decision matrix, automatically organizes all your tasks by importance and urgency, following the Eisenhower principle. It divides everything into 4 quadrants: do now, schedule, delegate, and don't do. The do now section displays all the tasks that are important and urgent. Schedule shows important and not urgent tasks. Delegate are for that are not important and urgent. And finally, don't do are tasks that are neither important or urgent. Use the filter section to adjust which period of tasks to display. Display tasks from a specific project. Show only tasks assigned to a selected team member. Filter by status. Only show incomplete tasks. And display the legend to see what statuses are mapped to the emojis. This matrix updates automatically whenever you modify tasks, perfect for weekly planning or team meetings to identify immediate priorities. Now, let's see it all come together in the Smart Calendar. The Smart Calendar offers a clear, monthly overview of all your tasks, automatically placed by due date. You'll instantly see where you or your team should focus and never miss a deadline with real-time updates. Use the left panel to sets the calendar for the year, month, and week start day you want to visualize. View tasks belonging to a specific project. Focus on one team member's workload. Exclude up to 4 statuses for a cleaner view. If you're not sure what an emoji stands for, just check the legend for a quick reference. Completed tasks turn green so you can easily move on to what's next. On the right, the summary panel displays total, completed, and pending tasks, plus a list view of all due dates for that month. And that's it. The Eisenhower Matrix is the only decision and priority tool you'll ever need to plan, prioritize, and deliver with ease. You're now ready to stay organized, focus on what matters, and turn every day into a win sheet. If you'd like to revisit any section, use the YouTube chapters below or open the Start tab guide in your spreadsheet. We hope this template brings you clarity, productivity, and peace of mind. If you have any questions, reach out, we're always happy to help. And if you haven't grabbed your copy yet, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and here's to making every task and project count.